Hello, my friends, and welcome back. I hope you're having a fabulous day. I'm going to be taking you along with me today as I go to one thrift store and two antique stores. I had so much fun shopping the other day looking for vintage items to use in my home decor, and I found some really great items. One item actually is something that I have been looking for years. I brought it home, I showed it to my husband, and he rolled his eyes and he thinks it's the stupidest thing ever. But I think it is totally awesome. So that is like one of my holy grail items, which I cannot wait to share with you. So first off, I'll share the footage that I took while I was in the stores. Not very much, probably only about 3 minutes worth, but I just wanted to highlight some of the things that I found at the stores that I thought was really cool, which I didn't actually bring home. So then after that, I will jump back in and share with you my fabulous haul and my holy grail item. So I am excited to share with you guys what I found, and I hope you'll keep watching. So the very first place that I went to was the thrift store. And my favorite thrift store called Unique. You would have saw it in the video. And I found two things there that I am super excited about. Well, it's actually three things, but two of them kind of go together. And they are teacups. Not that I needed any more teacups, you guys. I have plenty of teacups. But these were so adorable. I could not pass them up. They were $1.49 each. And I had a 25% off discount that day. So they ended up being $1.12 each, and they look like this. You remember lately I've been picking up brown transferware, which I still can't believe I'm collecting it, but it just keeps popping up everywhere, so I am picking it up, and I think it's going to be perfect for fall. And this pattern, I believe I have a plate. I think one of my subscribers sent me a plate that has this pattern on it. And I just think it is absolutely beautiful. So I picked these two up to just kind of be able to add just a little more touch of the brown and white transferware when I am decorating coming this fall. I just think it's so beautiful. Look at that gorgeous like flower print, and look at the handle too. It even has this cute little display or design on the handle as well. So I'm super excited to have found these two teacups to add to my brown transferware collection. And speaking of collections, this next item, you guys, is something to add to my collection as well, which is a newer collection that is growing quite nicely. It is a vintage jewelry box. My mom gave me her vintage white jewelry box not too long ago, and I since found a blue one. Well, now, you guys, I found a red one. I'm so excited. This is a color of jewelry box I never in a million years would have thought I would have found. But it is gorgeous. It's got the red with the gold detailing on the top. It's in pretty good condition. And then inside, it's not too bad either. It is looking pretty good inside. It does have one little ding right here. You can see that? I don't know if that's going to show up or not. There's a ding right there. But other than that, it's in really good shape. So I am thrilled about this. I don't know if I'm going to actually use it in my bedroom or if I'm going to add it into my decor. I'll probably use it in many different places. But oh, this red is just absolutely perfect. I'm so excited to have found it. I think what I'm going to do is use this one to hold all of my vintage Christmas pins. How cool would that be? Loving it. So I'm super excited. Oh, I forgot to tell you how much it was. It was originally $2.99, so I got it for $2.24. Total steal. Total steal. So I'm pretty excited about that. Alright, so then the next place that I went to was the Hopped Antique Market. I've been here many times as well. It's in Apple Valley, Minnesota. I go there a lot of times with Jamie and Nicole. But I went by myself this time, which is sort of sad, but not that bad. I still found some cool things. The first one is something that I can put on my potting bench. And it is a vintage pair of shears. Look at that in the fabulous red color, which I do not have. I believe I have a pair of I have one like this in like a nice green color, like a muted green color. But the red, you guys, oh my gosh, loving this. So I will add that to my potting bench. So I can't remember exactly how much these were, but I did buy like 3 things at the store and it ended up being $34. So yeah. So this next item that I found at the antique market is super adorable. Now if I remember right, this one was like $8, which I thought was a steal. And it is this adorable dog figurine. Look at him. He's a little, I think this is a boxer. Look at him. He is too adorable. I love collecting dog figurines. I have a small growing collection of them, and I am partial to the red and, or not red and white, black and white dogs. So I'm always on the lookout for them, and I just think he is so adorable. So I'm probably going to use him in my bedroom. I've got another dog that's black and white that's about this size. I think I'm going to put him on my headboard shelf when I do my black and white theme in there later this summer. So I am excited. I think he's just so adorable. Look at him. Just too cute. So super excited about him. And he's doesn't have any markings on him, but he seems like really frail, if you know what I mean. Like sometimes you pick up a porcelain piece and it just seems so delicate and frail. It makes you think it's really super old. I don't know if that's the case, but that's my thoughts anyways. So the one other thing that I picked up from the store is sort of silly. Like, why did I buy that? But it is something that I've actually been looking for, and I thought it was super adorable. I've been looking for a child-size chair that I can use in my decor, and I found a really adorable one. I'll most likely use it down in my family room, or maybe occasionally bring it upstairs, because I'm really actually looking for a rocking chair, a child-size rocking chair to put up in my living room area. But I saw this little guy. It looks like a little homemade number. Look at him. He's got cool little feet and detailings on the feet, and I just thought it was super cute. But then look at this. It's got this decal on it of a little puppy, a little black poodle. And I just fell head over heels for this. I just think it is so adorable. She even has like a little blue hat on. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. And then she's got like a little rose hanging out of her mouth. How adorable is that? So I just thought this was super cute. And I have passed up quite a few little small chairs in the past year or so, just looking for like the perfect one, or either one I could like, you know, repaint or anything like that. And something that looked unique is really what I was looking for, and this fits the bill. I just think it is the coolest thing ever. So I am loving this. It's pretty grimy right now. It needs to get washed up a little bit, but it's pretty awesome. So all right, so that leaves us one last store. Now, this last store was called 501. It's in Chaska, Minnesota, and this is the very first time that I've ever been there, and this place is amazing. The prices are good, the selection is awesome, and I will definitely be going back. So if you are in the neighborhood or anywhere close, go check out the store. It's right on Main Street in Chaska, and it is awesome. It's actually like across the street kind of from the curling center. So if you'd like to go do a little curling and a little antiquing, you're in the right place if you go to Chaska. So lately when I've been going to the antique stores, I've been looking for things that are very unique. Things that I don't have anything like. Because I feel like those are the items or things that I can find at the thrift stores. So I'm looking for very specific things. And one of the things that I've been looking for is artwork. I'm very particular about what I put on my walls, and I've been really wanting to find some more vintagey looking items to hang up on my walls. So I saw a landscape. It was only $12. It's nothing spectacular, but I just fell in love with it. The frame, I'm going to have to try to find a different frame for it, but the picture itself is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. It's got mountains, it's got trees, it's got the river or the lake. I think it is absolutely gorgeous. This is just one of those pictures kind of painted on like tagboard or whatever, but on the back it is dated. You can see how old it is. It doesn't even have glass, but it is dated December 25th, 1933. So I'm thinking somebody got this for Christmas. Do you remember the other framed landscape picture that I shared with you in the clips in the beginning of the video? Well, it was between that one and this one. I went with this one because it was slightly less money so that I could get another print. And this one, oh my gosh, you guys, I am so in love with this. My family thinks it's crazy and maybe a little freaky, but I love it. It was also $12, and it is a framed picture of a lady in this gorgeous black oval frame. I fell in love with the frame first. I mean, it is awesome. It is very old. Look at the back. This one doesn't have any dates or anything on the back, but I just love it. I just think this woman is so cool and stoic. She just looks fierce. You know what I mean? And I think it is cool. I absolutely love her dress. Look at all the detailing she has on her beautiful dress. I just think this is so cool. So I'm going to add this into my bedroom and hang it over the bed. And I think it's going to be awesome. I would love to find like 2 other smaller oval prints of, you know, either some sort of black and white like this as well. I think that would look really cool. So I'm very excited about both of my pieces of artwork. But this next item, you guys, is small but mighty. This is the Holy Grail item that I have been looking for years. I think I first saw one in a picture in like Country Living or Country Home magazine probably 10-15 years ago, and I have been obsessed with them ever since. But I've never in my whole life ever seen one in the wild, and it is a vintage food cover. Now this is a super tiny one, and I know that they are pretty spendy, and this one was only $18, and it looks like this. Look at that. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm totally in love. Totally in love. Look at that. It even has a cute little little finial type knob on the top, and it is metal. It's got some rusting and some, you know, some goodness to it, and I just love it so much. I was trying to look to see if there was any markings on it, but I have not been able to find any. So I have no idea. And the screening on this one is still really good. There's no holes or anything in it. There's a few dents in it and stuff like that, but that's to be expected. So anyways, I just think this is so cool. And probably some of you are like my husband and think it's pretty stupid, but not me. I am so thrilled, and now I know for sure that I'm going to need to find some more of these. I think they are awesome. Alright, so that is my haul for today. I am so thrilled with the items that I found. I would love to know which is your favorite piece that I picked up. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know. If you're new here, I would love for you to hit that subscribe and the notification bell. And I hope you guys have a fabulous day, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye now.